morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm Shazia. I'm your teacher. We'll begin with math class. Are you ready? Today we will learn counting.
हम यकीन के साथ कह सकते हैं कि आपको और आपके बच्चों को हमारी क्लासेस पसंद आ रही होंगी, तो फिर देर किस बात की। अभी डाउनलोड करें द कैन वर्ल्ड ऐप फ्रॉम द प्ले स्टोर। द कैन वर्ल्ड ऐप से आपके 2 से 6 साल तक के बच्चों को बेस्ट स्टडीज का एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा। इसके ई लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स भी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और आसान है। द बेस्ट क्लासरूम वीडियो, 3D वीडियो, लाइव वीडियोस, वर्कशीट इन PDF, द 10 वर्ल्ड के साथ जुड़िए और अपने बच्चों का बेहतर फ्यूचर बनाने में उनकी मदद कीजिए। फॉर फर्दर डिटेल्स कॉल और व्हाट्सएप ऑन 7073 888 और 7073 888
Be ready with your files, notebook, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Hello lovely children. Open your math file and take out page number 59. 59. Have you opened? Then sit properly and take out your sharpened pencil. Today we are going to write the numbers from 13 to 32. We will write the numbers from 13 to 32. Okay, then write with me. Start writing. Write 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. What comes after 13? Correct, 14. So write 14 here. 14. If you made wrong, you can use eraser. You have to write beautifully. Okay, your number should be proper. So tell me the next number. Good, it's 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. The next number is 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. Have you written? Do it nicely and tell me what comes after 16. Nice, it's 17. So write 17. 17. I'm going to write the next number, that is 18. 18. Tell me the next number, what we have to write after 18? Good, 19. So write 19. 1, 9, 19. What comes after 19? Correct, 20. So write 20 here. 20. And the next number is 21. 21. What comes after 21? Good, 22. So write 22. With 22, my column is completed. Now it's your turn to complete. Have you done? Shall we start the next one? So tell me what comes after 22? It's 23. Now trace 23. 23. What comes after 23? Good, 24. Write 24. Have you written? Write it beautifully. Your work should look neat and tidy. Okay, tell me the next number. Correct, 25. So write 25. Now the next number is 26. 26. Now it's your turn to write. Done. Shall I write the next number? That is 27. Write 27. What comes after 27? Excellent. 28. 28. 28. 28. 28. I'm going to write the next number. That is 29. 29. 29. Now what comes after 29? Correct. 30. So write here 30. 30. 30. Are you writing? Do it nicely and tell me the next number. Good. 31. So write here 31. If you made wrong, you can use eraser. You have to write it nicely and beautifully. And tell me what comes after 31? Excellent. That is 32. Write 32. 32. 32. With this 32, I have completed my part. Now it's your turn to complete it. And listen carefully. Next part is your homework. It's for your practice. You have to write numbers from 15 to 34. You have to practice the numbers from 15 to 34. Then you have to click the picture and send it on the WhatsApp group. Okay? Now proceed to page number 60. 60. It's an activity time. In this activity, we are going to write the missing numbers. Are you ready? Then sit properly with your back straight and take out your sharpened pencil. Look at the board. Some ducklings, some chicks, some hen and some ducks are over here. They have some numbers and some they don't have numbers. So we are going to fill them. We are going to write the missing numbers. First we will take the ducklings. Okay. Now in this duckling you can see the number 1, isn't it? And the next one is, there is no number. So we have to write the number here. For that, you have to tell me what comes after 1. You know, very good, it's 2. So write 2 here. 2. Got it? What we have to do? Yes, you have to write the missing numbers. Again, this duckling don't have number. So, tell me what come after 2? Yes, correct, it's 3. So, write 3. Now done. What comes after 3? It's 4, which is already here. So you have to tell me what comes after 4. Great. It's 5. So write here 5. Now complete it fast. Have you done? Now move forward. Come to the checks. Here you can see the number 6, isn't it? So in another checks there is no number. We have to fill it. So tell me what comes after 6. Correct, it's 7. So write here 7. Have you written? The next number is 8 and 8 is already here. So we have to write the next number. So tell me what comes after 8. Good, 9. So write here 9. After 9, it's 10, which is already here. When we fill the number, we have to move in order. Let's check out. We are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We moved in order. Okay. Have you done? Now let's see the hand. Now we will fill the numbers in hand. Which number is this? Good, 11. So tell me what comes after 11. Good, it's 12. So write 1, 2, 12. What comes after 12? It's 13. Very good. Which is already here. So move forward and tell me what comes after 13. Exactly, 14. So write 14 here. And after 14, what comes after 14? 15, which is already here. Now let's check. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All the numbers are in order. Do it fast and write it beautifully. Now come to the ducks. Which number is this? It's 16. Good. Then what comes after 16? Which is missing here? Tell me fast. Excellent. 17. So write here 17. 1, 7, 17. Done. Now look here. There is no number. We have to fill it. For that, you have to tell me what comes after 17. Nice, it's 18. So, fill the number 18. 1, 8, 18. And the next number is, speak loudly, 19. Which is already written here. So, move forward. Tell me the next number. Great, it's 20. So, write here 20. Have you written? Let's check the numbers. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All the numbers are in order. Complete your page and click the picture and send it on the WhatsApp group.
हम यकीन के साथ कह सकते हैं कि आपको और आपके बच्चों को हमारी क्लासेस पसंद आ रही होंगी, तो फिर देर किस बात की। अभी डाउनलोड करें द कैन वर्ल्ड ऐप फ्रॉम द प्ले स्टोर। द कैन वर्ल्ड ऐप से आपके 2 से 6 साल तक के बच्चों को बेस्ट स्टडीज का एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा। इसके ई लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स भी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और आसान है। द बेस्ट क्लासरूम वीडियो, 3D वीडियो, लाइव वीडियोस, वर्कशीट इन PDF, द कैन वर्ल्ड के साथ जुड़िए और अपने बच्चों का बेहतर फ्यूचर बनाने में उनकी मदद कीजिए। फॉर फर्दर डिटेल्स कॉल और व्हाट्सएप ऑन 7073 888 991 और 7073 888 992।